Okay, hello guys. To get the VI characteristics of Zener diode, you know that works in reverse bias condition. I have set up a circuit right over here on a breadboard, and you can see this is the voltage and this is the current varying across the adjusted resistance across the variable part. So let us now see how I made the connection. So first of all, I have this diagram through which I made the connection. You can see this is for the Zener diode. Now as we can see, the positive terminal of the battery is connected with the negative part of the diode, right? You need to exclude the voltmeter right now but you can see the positive terminal is connected with the negative terminal of the diode. Now this is the positive part of the battery, of course, the red wire, and now as you can see, that is first of all connected, okay, on the end of the breadboard. Similarly for the negative one, you just have to connect it likewise. Now you see this is R1. Now this R1 you can take up to 500, okay? So I've taken here the 430 ohm resistor. So I've connected it. Now as you can see, the one leg of the resistor on the same line of the positive terminal of the battery, and the other end on the other line, okay? This is known as power grid, okay? Now in the same line I have connected the variable port, and on the next part I have connected the other part of the variable port. Now as you can see, this I hope you can see clearly, yeah, the silver part is the negative part of the diode, and the rest of the part is the positive part of the diode, means that is how we designate it. Now in the circuit, as you can see, this negative part is connected with the positive terminal of the battery. So this is the positive terminal right over here. So you have to connect the negative terminal right over here. Okay, you can see how I have connected. Now I am excluding the voltmeter part right now. We have adjusted it, and the other leg of the diode goes into the next part, okay, obviously, so that we can get at least the measurement. Alright, so next part we are coming to milliammeter. Now as you can see, positive part of diode is connected to positive part of milliammeter. So now we know this is my milliammeter. Right now it's connected, so it is showing varying current. So this is my positive connection. The red wire is always the positive connection for the multimeter, obviously, and so I have connected it across the positive part of the diode, as you can see, okay, just beside the leg of the diode of the positive part. I've connected this red portion of my multimeter, and the next negative part is connected with the negative terminal of the battery. So this is my negative terminal, and you can see this is the negative portion of my multimeter, which is connected to the multimeter, which is acting as a milliammeter. Now coming to voltmeter, you can see positive terminal connected with positive terminal of the battery. So this is working as my voltmeter. So this is my positive part, and that is going right over here, and that is connected across the negative part, okay, of the diode. As you can see, it is connected with negative part of the diode, and the black one, which is my negative one, is connected across the positive part of the diode, and it also satisfies that negative part connected with the negative terminal of the battery, and positive part connected with the positive terminal of the battery. So now as you can see, I've just started it, and it is varying right now, right?